Kia didn't just nudge the Stonic this time, it gave its smallest SUV a much-needed refresh that leans on the brand's latest EV-inspired styling and modern cabin tech. The facelift Stonic still sits squarely in the subcompact BSUV category, but the updates have it looking sharper, more modern, and, critically, better equipped to compete with a new wave of rivals who've been nibbling at its market share. On the outside, the Stonic's changes are immediate and purposeful. The front end now features slimmer LED headlamps and a narrower grille opening, which together give the face a more focused, up-to-date expression. Kia also reworked the bumper and, in GT-line trims, added sportier elements like more aggressive intakes and an aluminum-style skid plate that lend a tougher look without turning the Stonic into anything it's not. The profile keeps their compact footprint but gains new wheel designs, 16 and 17-inch options, and fresh color choices such as adventurous green and yacht blue. The updated rear adopts C-shaped LED graphics and a cleaner tailgate, small touches that cumulatively modernize the car's presence. Inside, Kia has moved the Stonic further upmarket with a reworked dashboard and a digital-first cockpit. A dual-screen layout made up of two 12.3-inch displays provides the instrument cluster and infotainment functions, removing physical FAC controls in favor of touchscreen operation. That'll divide opinion. Purists may miss tactile buttons, but the interior now feels larger on the tech front and more in line with Kia's current design language. Other niceties include ambient lighting, wireless charging, USB-C ports, and a wireless-connected feature set that brings the Stonic closer to what buyers expect in 2025 and beyond. Boot volume remains familiar at 352 liters. Mechanically, the Stonic keeps the familiar 1.0-liter TGDI 3-cylinder turbo under the hood, available in standard and mild hybrid flavors. Output ranges around the 99 horsepower and 113 horsepower marks depending on setup, with the gearbox choices including a 6-speed manual or 7-speed dual-clutch automatic routed to the front wheels. In short, Kia hasn't reinvented the drivetrain, but it has sharpened the model's appeal where people notice it first: looks and connectivity. Consumer-friendly updates like advanced ADAS, navigation-based smart cruise control, highway driving assist, and blind spot collision avoidance bolster the Stonic's package, making it a sensible pick for urban drivers who want small SUV practicality plus modern safety technology. Their modest length increase, about 65mm, gives slightly more presence without sacrificing the easy-to-park dimensions that make subcompacts popular. All in, Kia's mid-cycle push for the Stonic is pragmatic: keep the drivetrain familiar and reliable, but give buyers a cabin and exterior that feel contemporary. For shoppers in crowded BSUV showrooms, those visual and tech upgrades might be enough to tip the scales back toward Kia.